guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I am Terry. So today I just wanted to go in with doing a really simple makeup tutorial. I'm gonna do a talk through video. I already did my brows off camera. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, and this is in the shade Ebony, and this is just what it looks like. So I use that dip pomade to do my brows. So there's nothing on my face right now, so I'm just going to start off with the eyes. I'm going to go in with my concealer first. So it's been a while since I used this type of concealer on my eyelids. I'm going with the Elegant Pro concealer, and this is in Fawn. So to set that concealer on my eyelid, I'm going with the Elegant Pro powder. This is a translucent setting powder. I'm just going to take a little bit just to pat on top of that concealer to help reduce my creasing. Now that that is down and it is set, today I'm going in with the Warrior palette by Juvia. This is what the shade is looking like. A lot of bronzy colors and golden colors, super neutral palette. Perfect super neutral palette. I'm gonna go in with Kano. I'm gonna use this as my transitioning color. So next I'm gonna go with Mino or Mino. I'm gonna take that right into my crease area. So I'm just gonna pat that on first, and then I move in wiper shield motions just to blend that out some more. This is definitely darkening up my crease. Then I'm gonna take a clean brush and I'm gonna dip back into Kano, and I'm going to blend out the edges of that shadow that I just put down, and I will be blending and blending until it looks seamless. So next I want to go into Idea or Idea, this golden shade right here. Just want to see what that will look like on the outer part of my eyelid. Wow, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I really like this color. Wow. So I'm just patting that on my eyelid. Then I'm just going to go in and blend out that edge. So I'm going to take More Me, and I'm going to put that right into my tear duct area. I'm going to go in with this tattoo eyeliner pen, and I'm going to kind of do a tight line on the top of my lid. I'm not creating a wing liner. I just want to create a little shade so that I can add my lashes. And this is in dark brown. I'm using the Cream Shop Whisk Me Away, and this is the lengthening mascara. When you're adding your lashes, guys, you want to go in with a black mascara just to kind of camouflage your eyeshadow. Just to kind of camouflage your lashes. It doesn't really matter what type of mascara it is. You just want it to be black to cover up any residue or so on that might fall on the lashes. So I'll let that dry down just a little bit. Then I will go in and add my lashes. I'm gonna go in with the Black Up Base Mattifying Primer, and I'm using my fingers today. That into my T-zone area where I get oily real quick. I'm using this concealer to highlight today. It is number 12, and this is huge, guys. This one is huge. Okay, so I also got the foundations, guys, and I was not sure what my shade was, so I picked up Malawi, which is 230, and I got Somalia, which is 350. So I'm gonna mix these two colors together. Hopefully I can catch my shade. It will be my first time ever mixing shades, so pray for me, guys. Like 2 drops of the dark color, 1 drop of the light color. Like seriously guys, for me it is so hard to match my shade. I also got this Juvia Space Concealer in number 7. It is a little darker than my shade. I'll use that to like contour or bronze up my face. Ooh, this is perfect for the side of my nose. So I got the I Am Magic setting powder. This is called Kalari, and with this setting powder they have 3 shades, which is a super light one, a dark shade, and then you have a middle shade. I picked up the middle shade. So real quick, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Powder and set the rest of my face. Sorry if my lighting is changing guys. I use natural lighting and outside is getting like real dark, like it's about to rain. So I'm sorry if my lighting is changing up on you guys. So now I'm going to take my same powder brush and I'm going to dust away all the excess setting powder. Just going to go in on the side of my nose. So before I set my face, I'm just going to go back into this palette. I'm going to add the colors to the lower part of my lash line. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. With the masquerade mini palette by Juvia's, and I'm taking, I can't even see the name no more. Taking this dark shade and I'm using that to contour or like bronze up my face some more. So I'm going in with the Bolero Vanilla Sugar Raspberry Facial Mist, and I'll be using that to set my face. So I'm taking this Milani Matte Satin Lippy, and this is in number 8 Indulge Gator.